Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to adjust brightness and contrast. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure to click the layer that you want to adjust the brightness and contrast to. As you see, I have my bottom layer selected here. And then what I'm going to want to do after that point forward is just go to the top left corner of my screen and then click on the color section. And then from here, you'll actually see there's actually a brightness and contrast meter. And I could just turn these levels up and down in order to go ahead and see, and you can actually even use a split view to see what works and what doesn't work, and even add presets to these as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a tutorial on GIMP. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.